Login failed on TradingView App Fix. You open the TradingView app, ready to check your charts or track your watch list, but instead of logging in, you see login failed. It's a common issue, but the good news is, it's quick to fix once you know what's going on. Let's start with the basics, your internet connection. TradingView's data is real-time, so if your network drops or slows down, the app won't authenticate properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle airplane mode to reset your signal. Next, update your app. TradingView updates frequently to improve performance and security. Outdated versions can cause login errors, especially when there's a recent patch. Head to your App Store or Google Play, search TradingView, and tap Update. If the app still won't log in, check your credentials. Manually enter your email and password instead of relying on autofill. If your account uses Google, Apple, or Facebook login, ensure that you're signed into those services on your phone. Till stuck? Clear your app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, TradingView, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove old session data. Also, if you're using a VPN or ad blocker, disable them temporarily. TradingView's servers sometimes reject masked or restricted apps for security reasons. If you've tried all that and the problem continues, it could be TradingView's servers themselves. When their data network or authentication system is updating, logins may fail briefly. Waiting a few minutes and retrying usually solves it. So if you're getting login failed on TradingView, don't worry. Check your connection, update your app, re-enter your credentials, clear the cache, and disable your VPN. Within minutes, you'll be back analyzing markets, studying trends, and tracking your next big opportunity.